Alright, so Snowzilla, Snowpocalypse, whatever people were calling it. There's people outside playing in the snow in the middle of the street. It's kind of fun. Let's see if I can zoom on this thing. Oh yes, I can. There they go. Huh. Yeah, they look like they have beer in hand. And they are testing themselves and their agility or dexterity by walking down the street. Okay. Zooming back out. Amusing. You can also hear sirens, so it's kind of a fun little juxtaposition of joy and childlike playfulness and serious adult matters such as injury and death, all in the middle of a giant blizzard. Oh, Chicago, how I love thee. This is crazy. And again, everything is definitely... Wow, look at that car. It's almost covered up to the hood. Definitely up to the top wheel well. I can't believe there's people just trekking around out here. It's pretty amazing. And then here is the drift again. It's slightly higher. Actually, quite a bit higher. It's now about 8 inches at the top, tallest part. I heard more snow thunder earlier. Didn't catch it on film though because it was so sporadic and I didn't want to wait down here for 20 minutes to wait for it to happen again. So yeah, it's about 10:45-ish p.m. on February the 1st. Tomorrow is Groundhog's Day. You can hear the wind. See, there you go. I'm not appropriately dressed for this, so I'm going to retreat back into my warm little cave, and I'll come back out later to give another update.